everyone, Shantae here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I am coming in just want to do this video, and also I am doing a video editing experiment. I'm playing with another video editing software. So I am gonna do this video in clips and stuff like that and see how it works for me if I like the other video program. Okay, so I am also doing a video for the Dewdrops, the Robin Nest. So all of these are the start of the show. The link will be in the description bar below. So I'm going to use as many of these colors as I possibly can in shapes, because I have diamonds, teardrops, regular circles as well. And then for the tag base, I'm using the Tim Holtz framelits. I think this is the book plate, one from the book plate. I just ordered these because I like the thinner dies. But I think this is the book plate size. I'm also using this Authentic Homestead sheet of paper. And I just purchased this from Tuesday morning. So that, and then I'm using the gray out of the Michaels 110 cardstock. And we are using these dies, these two for My Creative Time. And this one out of this one for My Creative Time. For my tag. And so far what I have done, this will be my bottom piece for the tag. I have cut 5 pieces for thickness, so my drops and everything will fit in for the inside. I've went in and cut out the hearts in the tag the way that I want them to look. This is gonna be a shaker tag. If I didn't say this is gonna be a shaker tag, so the pieces will fit in. And I also went on and cut the clear acetate, and I glued this down before I realized I needed this to inlay my hearts back on so that it'll fit perfectly. So I'm going to take it and do it like this, run it back through my machine so the hearts, the circles they'll line up perfectly. All right, so this will be, like I said, the first clip, and I'll be back. Y'all know that I am not a tutorialist, but I just, this is my year to shine. My season, I should say, not year, my season to shine. So I'm just pushing myself to do more and to just come on up in more than one way, other areas. So that's what this is about. So yeah, all right, I'll be back. Bye. Okay, everybody, I'm back. Okay, so what I did do, I think, which was so I went ahead on and cut the hearts out. Okay, so I just used washi tape and nested back in and keep it in place. In hindsight, even though this is 110 cardstock, it's super thick, I should have just glued all these together and kept running through the machine and doing it that way, because I took longer doing the way that I did. So next all I'm going to do is just glue my acetate piece back onto here and glue these together and begin to fill my well. I'll be back. All right, everybody, so I have all these glued together now. See how thick that is? And I'm just going to glue it on top of there and put my goodies on the inside. And then I'm going to glue this part on top. All right, I'll be back. All right, everybody, I am back. So let me show you my finished tag. And sometimes, for me, simple is best. So what I ended up doing was gluing the dewdrops in place, so no matter what, it will always be showing. Then I added my seed beads and my sequins, all to match the paper collection. And then the love die, I forgot to show that from at the beginning, is by My Creative Time as well. All right, and so one thing I would mention is most people, when they do shakers, they do foam. I don't like foam, which is why I used cardstock. And well, as of right now, I don't like foam. I go through phases. So, but right now I don't like the foam, so that's why I use so many layers of cardstock. And if you recreate the tag, just make sure you wash your edges so you'll have enough room, you know, when you're layering everything up. But this is cute. I love the way it turned out. And like I said, sometimes simple is best. And I started to junk it up, but then it would defeat the purpose of doing the shaker. All right, so that is it, you guys. I'll be back with another video. All the links will be in the description bar below. And if my video, the thing doesn't work out, I'll just merge all these together and do it like I normally do, since I'm trying out the new software. All right, bye. Stay strong.